Eating healthy doesn't have to mean spending hours in your kitchen. Today, I'll show you simple meal prep tips that will help you save time, eat healthier, and actually stick to your diet. Let's start with tip number 1. Check what you already have. Before you even start planning, take a look through your fridge, freezer, and pantry. I bet you can make so many meals with what's already there. Any forgotten veggies or leftover grains, or maybe even half a jar of sauce hiding in the back. Think about how you can use them. Maybe as a base for some meals or a swap in some recipes. You'll not only save money, but you'll also cut down on food waste. And honestly, that's a win for everyone. Tip number 2, review your upcoming week. Meal prep only works if it fits your life. So take a minute to look at your week ahead. Think about it. What are you working on? Are you going to be late, going out, or maybe you already know you're going to be too tired to cook? Once you know what your schedule looks like, you can plan smarter. That might mean prepping quick grab-and-go meals for busy days or saving more relaxed cooking for the nights when you know you're actually going to have the time to do so. And with Taima Titanium cookware, it all gets easier. Your meals cook faster, cleanup takes seconds, and you can feel good knowing it's completely safe for your health. That's how you stay consistent week after week. Trust me, a little planning means way less stress later and no more last-minute takeout runs. Tip number 3. Pick a few core meals instead of coming up with completely different recipes for every day. Pick a few core dishes you can mix and match throughout the week. Think grilled chicken, roasted veggies, or cooked grains. They can easily be turned into salads, wraps, or bowls with just a few simple tweaks. It keeps things interesting and much easier. You can easily make all of these core dishes with Taima's Pure Titanium pans. Nothing sticks, nothing leaches toxins into your food, and you keep all of those good nutrients right where they belong. And the best part, you can pan fry, roast, or even pop it straight into the oven. That's how versatile it is. Tip number 4, cook components, not always full meals. You don't always have to cook full meals ahead of time. Sometimes it's easier to just focus on the building blocks. You can roast a tray of veggies, cook up some rice or quinoa, and get your proteins ready. Chicken, beans, tofu, whatever you like. Spend just a few hours on Sunday prepping all of these basics, and putting meals together during the week will be much quicker and easier for you. It'll help you mix and match, build different dishes, and in just a few minutes instead of spending ages in the kitchen every day. So when hunger hits, you can grab a healthy meal in no time instead of reaching for something fast that might throw your diet off track. Tip number 5, go freezer friendly. Now this one is my favorite meal prep hack for 2026. Here's why. Soups, stews, sauces, and even some baked dishes all freeze well. Make a batch and stash them in the freezer. That way you've got a healthy meal ready to go even on your busiest days, and you won't even cook. You'll save time, you'll save money, and you'll stick to your diet even if life gets hectic. It's simple, but genius. Don't just plan your healthy meals, make them count. Visit taimatitanium.com and get your purest titanium cookware today.